shows yet or movies, but oh, yeah. But my parents video me playing guitar. Sometimes they post it, and I don't really mind, you know. But I think they like it. So. When I was a lot younger, I did a couple short films, and for some of them, I had to cry. And yeah, I just remember the experience of me and my mom talking me into crying and how to cry on set. And yeah, they love rewatching those short films, especially when people are around.
Sa akin naman po yung dad ko, lagi naman po siya nanonood ng Hello every Friday. And minsan, pag mayroon siya nakikitang off acting, pinagsasabihan niya po ako, tinuturuan niya po. Pero there's a time na sabi ko, paano umiyak? Tapos, tinulungan niya po ako. Tapos, hindi po ako naiyak, natawa lang po ako sa baba niya. Thank you po.
For me naman po, my only request is that they don't watch it in front of me. Because I cringe out at my own acting. But then, I think my mom has watched a few episodes of Hell You, and she does critique me, but it's all constructive criticism. So I also take that to heart. Sometimes it's a bit harder to hear because it's coming from my parents, but then who else is gonna say it besides your parents also? Thank you.
My family, nanonood kami now, pero before, nung mga una kong project, ayoko talagang pinapanood. So, hindi ko pinapanood. Tapos, ngayon, yung recent, like yung GSOT 1892, Loki, yan, pinapanood na namin siya together. And mom ko yung usually, like, merong mga comments, ganyan. Tapos yung dad ko, tahimik lang. He just lets me figure it out on my own. He'll only give me advice if I ask for it, which I'm really, really grateful for. Kasi, minsan, parang, mas okay na ikaw yung makapansin instead na iba. So, ayun. Thank you.
I don't think they've watched it yet. Parang I don't know if kaya nilang panoorin ako. But, I tell them naman, about my day, like sa set. I hope they get to watch it soon because I would love their feedback. But so far, they haven't said anything naman. But I do tell them and ask for advice because minsan nangingibabaw talaga yung nervousness ko. Lalo na pag I'm acting. Of course, I still have a hard time memorizing my lines. I'm trying to remember it. I'm trying to remember yung facial expressions ko, yung actions ko sa camera, where I am sa camera, like how I interact with my castmates. So I just try to ask for advice. So far, they haven't really said anything bad naman sa acting ko.
So me and my mom, we watch My Husband is a Mafia Boss every week. And with that project, I can say I'm pretty proud of how I'm doing. So yun, pinapanood namin na magsama. And yun, masaya na siya kasi she sees the slow improvement from my one project to another. So they're pretty happy. And then of course, the show just started and I know what's to come. So I'm really excited to watch it with them every week. For GSOT naman, Golden Senior of Tomorrow, my dad was very happy because I got to work with my cousin for one day. So we had a scene together and it was very heartwarming that Viva got my family all connected again. So I was very proud of that moment and my dad as well.
Ako naman po siguro yung mga sa old shows ko po, like Going Bulilit po or Happy Together. Sometimes po pinapanood namin siya as a family and the fact na nakikita ko po silang tumatawa rin at napapangiti dahil sa akin, doon ko po nasasabi na maganda yung nagawa at napakita ko po. And whenever naman po may mga off akong pag-acting, parang wala sa tono po or parang yung joke ko hindi siya medyo related sa pinag-uusapan that time, ina-advise naman po agad ako nila mami at daddy. And syempre po, makikinig po ako para mas magawa ko ng mas mabuti next time. And yung mga shows po na ginagawa namin together as a family, minsan kasama pa po yung mga tito ko. yun na lang po siguro yung hindi namin pinapanood dahil syempre po nandun na po kami, magkakasama na po kami. Mga behind the scenes video na lang po yung pinapanood namin, lalo na yung mga eksena na nakakatawa, yung mga bloopers po na nadadapa ako, tatawanan po nila ako. Yun lang naman po. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you